Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we are going to see how can we create UML diagrams with the help of ChatGPT and Mermaid.js. We are going to put that code into draw.io to get the diagram. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about 10 system design you should prepare for your interview? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment now on this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. As you already know that there are many types of UML diagrams like use case diagram, class diagrams. Now, first of all, I'm going to ask for a use case. It's going to be a hospital management system. So the first prompt is give sample use case for a hospital management system. You can enhance this prompt by adding this line, give all the actors required in this use case. So it will just give you all the required actors in this use case of hospital management system. Let's see what it gives us. So this is the result ChatGPT generated right now. You can see that the actors are patient, receptionist, doctor, etc. And it also gave us the scenarios for each actor and alternative scenario too. Now what you have to do is to ask what is Mermaid.js. So ChatGPT will understand that what is Mermaid.js. So it will help you to get the diagrams without any syntax error in Mermaid.js. So your second prompt should be what is Mermaid.js. So upon asking what is Mermaid.js, it shows the introduction, what is Mermaid, and it mentions some diagrams that Mermaid can draw, and it also gave us the example of the Mermaid code for just doing a simple flowchart. Now you have to ask what are some examples of UML diagrams. So upon asking what are some examples of UML diagram, ChatGPT generated this response and it mentioned all the UML diagrams. The first diagram is class diagram, second is use case and sequence and etc. Now what you have to do next is go to the Mermaid GitHub and you have to open the first one. Now in this repository, you can see the available diagrams that Mermaid.js can draw. The first is flowchart, sequence diagram, and Gantt chart, etc. And there is also class diagram. Creating use case diagram, ChatGPT won't generate the exact code because Mermaid.js does not have use case diagrams feature. So ChatGPT will just generate a sample use case diagram and it will give you the code anyway. Now let's type flowchart diagram, which is also available in the Mermaid.js. I'm going to ask ChatGPT the flowchart diagram for my use case. So your next prompt should be give Mermaid code for flowchart for my use case. Let's see what it gives us. So here is the result. You have to copy this code and you have to go to draw.io and you will see something like this. You have to create new diagram and you can select the blank diagram and click on create to create the diagram. It will ask for the location to save the diagram file. So I'm going to just name it anything, or you can name it whatever you want. So you will see this type of a screen. After seeing this screen, you have to go to the arrange and you will see the insert, and it has submenu and it has advanced. You have to go to the Mermaid from here. So after clicking on it, you will see that you can paste the code right here. So I'm going to click insert and you will see the flowchart diagram right here. Now in this draw.io, you can adjust this diagram. You can change the colors from right from here. For example, you can just change the background or you can select this and change the color or whatever you want to customize this diagram. This is the best feature of draw.io, that you can go to insert, then advance and then Mermaid to just paste the code and get this type of diagram, because in Mermaid live editor you cannot edit the diagram, but in draw.io you can definitely edit your diagram and customize it according to your needs. Let's move forward towards another diagram. I'm going to ask for the state transition diagram. Let's ask ChatGPT to do it. So your next prompt should be give Mermaid code of state transition diagram for my use case. Let's see what it gives us. So here is the result. I'm going to do the same. I have copied the code and I'm going to select this all and delete it. Then I'm going to do the same, go to the arrange, then go to advanced and click on Mermaid. And here I'm going to paste the code that I just copied it from ChatGPT. Click on insert and you will see something like this. So this is the sample state transition diagram that ChatGPT gave us. You can obviously enhance this diagram because it is just giving you a scenario of a state transition diagram. And definitely you can give your scenario in ChatGPT to get this type of diagram in Mermaid.js by pasting it in draw.io. Now let's see what we get if we ask for use case diagram. As I already told you that Mermaid do not have use case diagrams. So ChatGPT is going to just generate a sample code for use case diagram. Let's see what it gives us. You have to type give Mermaid.js code of use case diagram for my use case. Let's see what it generates. So here's the result. You can see that it is just starting with start UML. It is not typing use case. But if you ask for some state transition diagram, or if you ask for sequence diagram, you will see that ChatGPT will write sequence diagram or state transition diagram right here. But obviously use case diagrams are not available in Mermaid, so it is just giving us a sample code for us to generate the diagram. Let's see what are the results. I'm going to remove this first and go to the arrange, do the same thing that I did before, and paste the code right here and insert it. You can see the error, no diagram type detected, matching giving configuration for text at start UML. Let's try this in MermaidLive editor. So you can go to mermaid.live and it will just open the live editor of Mermaid, which is the original editor. I'm going to just paste it right here. And you can also see that unknown diagram error. I'm going to just copy this error and paste it right here. And let's see what it gives us. So here is the result. I'm going to just copy it again and paste it in draw.io and see if this works or not. I'm going to paste it right here, go to the advanced and Mermaid, paste the code and see right here. Okay, you can see that it is just a sample use case diagram, and obviously it cannot generate the use case diagram that you're looking for because this feature of use case diagram is not available in Mermaid.js. But you can definitely get this type of diagram if you just want to generate the use case diagram. I'm going to paste this code in the live editor too and see the results. You can see the difference between the Mermaid live editor diagram and the draw.io diagram. The code is same, but the diagrams are a little bit different. I'm going to open this in another tab. Okay, now you can see clearly. You can get this type of use case diagram from Mermaid.js because use case diagrams are not available in Mermaid.js. Let's try to paste the previous codes that we generated. You can see that this is the state diagram that we generated before, and ChatGPT first mentioning a state diagram right here, so Mermaid.js can identify it. I'm going to copy it and paste it in the live editor, and you can see that I think this diagram is same that was generated by draw.io, and the code is obviously same, but we can see the difference between draw.io and Mermaid live editor when we generated a use case diagram. Let's copy the flowchart code, and this was the flowchart code. Let's see this too. So this flowchart diagram also looks the same that was generated by draw.io. So in this way you can generate UML diagrams, and there are many types of UML diagrams, and all diagrams are not available in Mermaid.js, but you can get a sample diagram by asking code from ChatGPT, and it will obviously generate some code, and you can try again and again to get your results. If you get any error, you can just simply copy the error and paste it in ChatGPT, and it will just fix your error as I just did before. So this was all about today's video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how can you generate sequence diagram and class diagrams in Mermaid.js and draw.io. So if you like the video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the next video. Thank you guys for watching.